Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to customize password page on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log in into your account. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Themes under the Online Store section. Then, click on the Customize button to open the theme editor. At the top middle of your screen, you'll see a drop-down that says Home Page. Click on it. Now, search for and select Password Page from the list of templates. Once the password page loads, look to the right side of the screen where you'll see a section labeled Label or Content. Here, you can change the text from the bottom, like writing Continue, Get Started, or anything you prefer. You can also edit other elements like the heading, message, and background image if your theme supports it. Now, check the left side panel under the Templates section to explore layout settings or additional blocks you can edit. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Save at the top right corner. And that's it. You've now customized your Shopify password page to better match your store style. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.